Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a project share video. I received my dies from KSCRAFT and it's the tissue box holder. So this is what the die looks like. You have a lot of pieces. I need to get like bigger bags because this piece doesn't fit in this bag here. But I have them all together. And Nicole, who designed the house, she has a tutorial, so I'll link that down in the description bar also. But let me just show you the ones I made. And okay, so let me put this one on the side and let's show you this one first. So this one here, I made it for a friend who's gonna give it to her aunt, and I thought it came out super cute. And then in the back, I did like this little tree with a whole bunch of flowers. And if you can see, they have like little curtains. You see? And I did the little fence and the little bow. I think it came out so cute. And the whole box of tissue fits, which is perfect. So all you gotta do is, look at that. Isn't it cute? I love it. So that's the first one I made. And then I made this one. And this one I used the paper pad called, this one, LOL. And it's from Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. And this is what it looks like. And this is for my friend Amy, who's very kisses to you. And I thought it came out super cute. I put a little mailbox right here on the side. And then the fence is from my stash. I put like a little trimming here, trimming here. I cut a little border on the top. Then the back, the fence, that's a little butterfly from my stash. Super cute. This one I didn't put a tree since I had that little mailbox, but I think they came out so cute, and I just love that the whole tissue box holder fits. And that's it. They make great little gifts, so I hope you guys like it. Let me know which one's your favorite, and I will talk to you later. Bye.